account that's in your credit report, you can definitely dispute, especially if it's like a repossession. A lot of times people have the repossessions. I see a lot of people get that collection removed before they get the actual repossession removed, the original account removed with the original creditor. But you can always dispute it, and you do not need to have an account number to dispute it. If you don't have an account number, you could just put the balance on there. Like I usually tell people to put the name of the account, whatever that is, put the name of the account on there and put the balance of the account right under it. And then you can put whatever you want to put, like this account needs to be removed because the last date activity is incorrect, the balance is incorrect, whatever you want to put in terms of incorrection on there, and dispute it. You do not need to have an account number to dispute it. Once they send your results back in the mail, then you can go ahead and put the account number on your new letters, because you're going to have the account number after that. Now, don't forget, you guys have access to get your credit reports for just $1 or the Identity IQ. I have my link. It should be in the description. Go ahead and check it out. But you guys can go to IdentityIQ.com, and I have my dollar trial there. If you just go to Identity IQ, you're going to get charged $29.99 for your credit reports. You're not going to get your account. You're not going to get any of that. But you guys can get the dollar trial by Identity IQ by using my link, and then you will have access to your credit reports from there, and then your account number should already be on there. So definitely check that out. And then also you guys can check out aura.com/Rickita, and then you guys can have a 14-day free trial there, and you guys can possibly find some account numbers there. And again, that is free. Credit Karma, they do not have any account numbers, so you ain't gonna find them there. You ain't gonna find them there, but you can dispute these accounts without your account numbers. Just put the balance there if you want to. They know what account you're talking about. You can use the exact name and wording that they have on Credit Karma, put that exact name in. They're gonna find it. They're gonna know what you're talking about. Okay, just make sure you have on your letter to the credit bureaus, just have your name, your address, social security number, date of birth. They're going to be able to find you, because once they find you, they can see your account and find